Hello people. Welcome to What Is. Suppose, imagine yourself having a sound sleep in your bed, and you go through an experience of a dream. And the next morning you wake up, and you forget about the dream entirely, and you are proceeding with your daily schedule in a more regular way. You go along with your day and, all of a sudden you overcome a situation, same as something you recognize you overcame already before. So, you get to interpret that you had overcame the exact situation in your dream the last night? I think most of you guys might have gone through such a situation. So, now, does this mean that what you have dreamed has turned into reality? Or, can dreams be considered as a source through which one can see through the future? Do dreams really turn into reality? Let's find out. This is What Is Déjà Vu. If you go through situations like, wait, have I been here before? Have we stood in this exact spot as you said these same words to me at some point in the past? Haven't I seen this very cat pass by this very hallway already? Sometimes, as we experience a new event or place, we get that creepy feeling that it's not the first time. We call that sensation déjà vu, a French phrase that means already seen. But what is déjà vu, and can science explain why it happens? The term déjà vu is French and means, literally, already seen. Those who have experienced the feeling describe it as an overwhelming sense of familiarity with something that shouldn't be familiar at all. Say, for example, you are traveling to England for the first time. You are touring a cathedral, and suddenly it seems as if you have been in that very spot before. Or maybe you are having dinner with a group of friends, discussing some current political topic, and you have the feeling that you've already experienced this very thing. Same friends, same dinner, same topic. The phenomenon is rather complex, and there are many different theories as to why déjà vu happens. Swiss scholar Arthur Funkhauser suggests that there are several déjà experiences and asserts that in order to better study the phenomenon, the nuances between the experiences need to be noted. In the examples mentioned above, Funkhauser would describe the first incidents as déjà visite, already visited, and the second as déjà vu, already experienced or lived through. As much as 70% of the population reports having experienced some form of déjà vu. A higher number of incidents occurs in people 15 to 25 years old, than in any other age group. Dreams can also be used to explain the experience of déjà vu, and they are related in three different aspects. Firstly, some déjà vu experiences duplicate the situation in dreams instead of waking conditions, according to the survey done by Brown, 2004. 20% of the respondents reported their déjà vu experiences were from dreams, and 40% of the respondents reported that from both reality and dreams. Secondly, people may experience déjà vu because some elements in their remembered dreams were shown. Research done by Zuger, 1966, supported this idea by investigating the relationship between remembered dreams and déjà vu experiences, and suggested that there is a strong correlation. Thirdly, people may experience déjà vu during a dream state, which links déjà vu with dream frequency. Why déjà vu occurs? Déjà vu could be a memory phenomenon. Scientists have tried to effectively recreate déjà vu in the lab. In a 2006 study by Leeds Memory Group, researchers would first create a memory for patients under hypnosis. That memory was usually something simple like playing a game, or looking at a printed word in a certain color. Then patients in the different groups were given a suggestion to either forget, or remember the memory, which could later trigger the sense of déjà vu when they encountered the game or word. Other scientists have attempted to bring on déjà vu using virtual reality. One study found that participants reported experiencing déjà vu when moving through the virtual reality Sims video game, when one scene was purposefully created to spatially map to another. These experiments have led scientists to suspect that déjà vu is a memory phenomenon. We encounter a situation that is similar to an actual memory but we can't fully recall that memory. So our brain recognizes the similarities between our current experience and one in the past. We're left with a feeling of familiarity that we can't quite place. Beyond this general explanation, there are dozens of theories that attempt to explain why our memories might malfunction in this way. Some say it's like a short in the circuits in our brain leading to long versus short-term memory, so that new incoming information goes straight to long-term memory, instead of making a stop in the short-term memory bank. Others blame the rhinal cortex, the area of the brain that signals that something feels familiar, for somehow being triggered without the memories to back it up. Another theory is that déjà vu is associated with false memories, memories that feel real but aren't. This form of déjà vu would be similar to the feeling when you can't differentiate between something that really happened versus a dream. However, researchers have begun to push back on this idea. One study used functional magnetic resonance imaging (fMRI) to scan the brains of 21 participants as they experienced a kind of lab-induced déjà vu. Interestingly, the researchers found the active areas of the brain were those involved in decision-making. They interpret this result to mean that déjà vu could instead be a result of our brains conducting some form of conflict resolution. In other words, our brain checks through our memories like a Rolodex, looking for any conflict between what we think we've experienced, versus what actually happened to us. So, the next time when you experience déjà vu, never put yourself into a thought that you have already experienced this before. That's absolutely a false thought. It's completely because of the neural disturbances in your brain, and you are completely alright. Nothing to worry of having such feelings. I think you found this video really useful. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for more content. This was What is Déjà Vu? Goodbye and let's meet again in another wonderful video.